that today is the day. So I spent the morning gathering colorful flowers and juicy bananas and he practiced his winners. Maya, you read the banana of my hair. Just then, a butterfly fluttered by, cut as it, told Milo. Yellow gave her these flowers and then Yellow told her how it felt. When Maya arrived, Milo got very nervous. His tail shone, his hands sweating. He wanted to look fun, but all he could say was, Maya, satu. Then, oh no, he slipped on a banana plant and fell backward. He flipped and floated through the air and the bananas splattered everywhere. Only Evan landed right there. And Maya as yet, the parrots watching from near the and they helped but how with laughter. Milo looked at Maya and saw that she was giggling. You are such a troll, Milo, she said. They scratched his head and smiled. As long as satu made you smelly, I told them, handing her two flowers. Maybe I should have led with caution. She took him and looked. You are terrible, yeah? You know that? She said, humping him up, they looked together, and soon the whole jungle was filled with pure joy. From that day on, Milo and Maya were inseparable. They soon dropped the trees, ate delicious bananas, and logged a lot. Although other animals teased them about their love, and they felt that even though they made it to a bit messy something mess, love is always funny.